It's a Juki LZ-391N, made in Japan, and you're able to do this embroidery. Also, the second video we're going to show you that the machine can do straight stitch, zigzag, and more. Thank you very much. Right now, you see how we do embroidery. Go ahead. Okay, that's beautiful. That's how you do it. And then you can make flowers, names, or whatever. Just draw a picture, and then you can do it. And it comes complete, table, motors, and all. Thank you very much from Atlas Levy Sewing Machine Company. www.atlaslevy.com.